Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you a place that is not merely a tourist destination, but if you have a deep love for the natural landscape, I guarantee you that you'll find the perfect spot here. Alright, so no more chatting away. Let's all take our eyes up above and marvel at the wonderful natural landscape of this incredible place. I genuinely try to show you this remarkable place because it holds immense significance for a few individuals, particularly those who live nearby. This deep, winding flood channel is situated between the attractive barangay Anoling, which belongs to the municipality of Camalig in the province of Albay, Philippines. Furthermore, it is also nearby the captivating Barangay-Mî-si, which finds itself under the management of the municipality of Daraga, within the same province. Both these barangays are nestled within the beautiful landscape of the Philippines, making this scene truly a treat for those who desire to explore the wonders of nature. This particular drone flight is heading south. The locations marked on the right side are situated in Anoling, and those marked on the left side are Mî-si. The southeastern part of Anoling comprises the barangays Cabangan, Camalig, and Salvacion, Daraga, serving as the northernmost community. Consequently, whenever a significant flood occurs, it poses a significant threat to the residents living in these barangays, as the magnitude of the water can be overwhelming. Thanks to the benevolent leadership of the Philippine government, several food control structures have been constructively built on the flood channel. These structures act as protective barriers rather than being easily eroded to prevent flooding in the area. In conclusion, it is essential to recognize the importance of safeguarding residential areas from potential environmental hazards such as these, ensuring that they are built with proper infrastructure that can withstand frequent flooding events. By doing so, we can significantly reduce the risk of massive disaster occurrences and safeguard the well-being of our communities. This particular region is responsible for accommodating several quarry operators who are dedicated to the process of preparing, processing, and delivering gravel and sand to various locations across the country. In my opinion, these types of quarry activities are absolutely crucial as they contribute to making the flood channel even deeper. Moreover, they also eliminate the existing flood obstacle within the flood channel. This specific drone flight, currently, is heading towards the north. As we begin turning towards the north, a massive file of aggregate can quite clearly be seen. This invisible black aggregate has been considered by numerous individuals as the black gold of the beautiful province of Albay. As we can observe, residential structures are frequently found near the areas that are easily susceptible to erosion, making the residential houses highly vulnerable to potential disasters if a significant flood occurs in such areas. This particular flood channel appears to be quite smaller in size in the video footage, but it is actually quite immense and possesses a height that can leave you feeling dizzy in person. While this colossal, deep river channel presents a significant danger to the locations and the people living there, it actually offers a sustainable livelihood for a few individuals by engaging in perilous and sandy activities. These endeavors result in the production and sale of valuable aggregate products to nearby smaller-scale construction projects. Before we forget, allow me to tell you that this specific location in Anoling-Mî-si lies just a brief distance from the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone of the captivating Mayon volcano. This particular flood channel is one of the major obstacles to the vast road concreting project called Ako Bicol Highway, which necessitates the construction of several highly expensive bridges. This extensive road concreting project stretches from the Barangay Lidong in Santo Domingo all the way to the western part of the town of Camalig, covering an enormous area. Before we proceed to conclude, allow me to offer you a comprehensive 360-degree counterclockwise view of this truly remarkable and captivating location, ensuring that we immortalize and cherish the astonishing and intriguing aspects of this exceptional place. This is the north side, facing the stunning Mayon volcano. This is the west side. going to the northwestern location of Kamalig-al-Bay. The visible road goes to the south all the way to the AH-26 highway, Salugan section. The hills in the distance share the places of Kamalig and Daraga municipalities. Thank you for your time. See you next time.